Umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uthi isenzo sokukhelwa ngomlilo kwesikole samabanga aphezulu iLansavale Secondary kuphazamise kakhulu ukufunda kulesi sikole kanti sekunokukhathazeka ngokuphepha kwaso sonke isakhiwo sesikole.
We might go into the end of the year without being fixed. So we will then have to augment and have mobile units, which will then accommodate everyone when we start the academic year 2025. But interimly, the grade 12s, because they are writing, they will then go to their neutral venue.
Ngesonto ledlule kwabikwa isigameko sokugwazwa komfundi egwazwa omunye umfundi kusona lesi sikole. Isigungu esilawula isikole sithi lezi zenzo zibeke engcupheni impilo yabafundi nothisha.
The incident of last week was just as heart-wrenching, that our children can hurt each other in the manner that has happened, and the boy is still in hospital. Yesterday's fire was horrendous. I didn't sleep, and I'm sure the children are as traumatized as the educators, as community members.
Kunxuswe izinhlaka zezokuphepha ukuthi zingenelele ukuqapha isimo ezikoleni esikhungethe ubugebengu.
The school safety must take priority. Now, we suggested that there should be the visibility of the police. And in Gauteng, we've got the crime prevention wardens. As the National Teachers Union, we suggested that they should be deployed in schools.
Ukufunda nokufundisa kulindeleke ukuba kuqala kusasa.